Welcome guys, this is Data Slash Fun YouTube channel. Today we are going to see our tutorials for beginner. Lesson number 8. In that tutorial we are going to see extract columns and rows from data frame. For that, please guys subscribe this YouTube channel and press a bell icon for getting latest video notification. So let's see how to extract columns and row from any data frame. For extracting any column and rows from data frame, this is the simple format for that. So you can give any name, new name for data frame, sample underscore df. Here I have mentioned, and my original data frame is a df, and in square bracket mention particular row index, then comma. After that we can mention particular column index. So basically this is the easiest format for extracting any rows or columns from any data frame. So let's see example of that. So we use iris data frame, which is inbuilt data frame in R for this session. So just see the details of iris by this command, view of iris. So iris data frame contain 5 columns and 150 rows. 150 rows, and we will refer this data frame for coming exercise. So let's see. First, in here I just want to extract first 2 columns. Okay, so I just want to extract sepal length and sepal width from whole data frame. So I just write here command iris in rectangle bracket. I want all the rows of that 2 columns. That's what I not mention here any condition on rows, but I just want to the first 2 columns. That's what I write here 1 colon 2, and the whole term is saving in this name iris underscore 2 col object. Just see view of that new data frame. You can observe only 2 columns is here, and these are sepal length and sepal width. Okay, then next I just want to the first 3 rows. For selecting rows we need to mention condition before the comma. So I just write here one new R object, iris underscore 3 rows, iris our original data frame name, and 1 up to 3 rows, and we want all columns of that 3 rows. That's what here is no any condition on column. Just view our output. You can observe first, second and third rows are extracted from original data frame with all columns, sepal length to spaces. Then if you want to extract first 3 rows and first 4 columns, then very easily you can extract. I just write here one R object iris underscore col and rows, and iris I just want to first 3 rows and first 4 columns. So that's what I write here condition 1 to 3 and 1 to 4, and you can see the output first 3 rows and first 4 columns. Very fastly you can extract data from any data frame. Then next command, I just want to extract first, 5th and 7th row from iris data. So I just create a one R object iris 1 5 7, and in bracket I mention that row numbers 1 5 and 7, and I just want to all the columns of that rows. That's what I not mention here any condition on column after the comma. So just check the output first, 5th and 7th row. You can observe here. The next condition selection on particular column values. In our spaces we have different spaces like Virginica, then versicolor and setter. So we have basically 3 spaces. So I just want to the information of versica, sorry. So that's what I write here. One R object iris underscore virginica, sorry. Then data frame name iris, our original data frame name. Then iris dollar sign spaces, that column name spaces, and on that column we want only virginica information, this information of these spaces only, virginica. So that's what I write here, double equal to for exact equal to, and write that species name virginica in double quote. Then this condition is apply on rows. Okay, so that's what we write the condition before the comma, and after the comma we not mention anything because we want all the columns regarding to virginica. So you can observe in spaces column only virginica information is here with remaining column petal width, petal length, petal sepal width, sepal length. So you can extract information depends on the any particular values of column. In next command I just want to the information about virginica and setosa. Here I just want to the information of two spaces only, virginica and setosa. So I just write same command here, just write here one name iris, setosa and virginica is equal to iris in rectangle bracket iris spaces double equal to, because we want to more than one values extraction, that's what I write here C concat function in R, C in equal to double quote virginica and setosa. The bracket is complete and comma. After comma I have not mentioned anything because I want all the columns regarding to virginica and setosa. So let's see. You can see here in spaces column there are only two spaces, setosa and virginica. Okay, so very fastly we can extract any data from data frame. Then next we can say extract the multiple columns by name. Here we saw the extraction depends on the index of that column and rows, but we can extract data frame by their name of that column name also or row name. So here I just write one R object iris by name is equal to iris in bracket spaces. So there is one column spaces, so we can see only spaces column we can extract. Iris by name. So only spaces column we can extract by this command by mentioning the name of that specific column. Suppose I want to extract multiple column by names, so this is a command for that, iris by col names. This is my new R object, and in bracket equal to iris in rectangle bracket I have mentioned the column names which we want to extract, spaces, sepal length, sepal width. So basically these three columns will extracted from original data frame iris. So let's see and view. So you can observe here first column we have mentioned spaces, then sepal length and sepal width. So accordingly here the extraction is happen. First column is spaces, then sepal length, sepal width. So very fastly you can extract any data from any data frame by using these codes. Hope you understood how to extract any columns and rows from any data frame. Please try this code on your data frames, and if you have any challenges then please write on this video, and thank you so much for watching.